Win, 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 win. All I do is win, 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 win. The whole you did for me, I jump over it. The whole you did for me, I jump over it. The whole you did for me, I jump over it. With their BB eyeball. They will see a kuro kuro with their big, small, small eyeball. Hi, family. Melita here. If you're new, welcome. And if you're old, welcome back. Okay, you guys, I am so excited for today's look. Can you see? Can you tell? Yes, I drew a map of Africa. I hope you can tell that it's a map of Africa because your girl cannot draw to save her life. But I drew a map of. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Can you tell? Yes. This look is actually inspired by the virus that's going around. Okay, the two French doctors that was suggesting or considering Africa to be tested, to use the corona vaccine to test children in Africa or people in African nations as a whole. I just want to say that Africa is not a lab, period. Listen, it is 2020. We can't still be doing this. We need to bring each other together. We need to be building each other up now, not to still be dragging Africa down. And I hope and pray that our leaders stand up this time around and not give in to this whole stuff. Anyways, if you want to know how I created this look, then please stay tuned. If you're not yet subscribed, stop playing. Don't do a girl like that. I love everyone, okay? And I know there's something about me that you like. That's why you're still here. So subscribe. When you do, hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. Let's do this. Look. Okay, so I did this side of my brow, and this is the side I'm going to be doing the art on. So I will start by brushing up the hairs that I have. Just going up, and then I will go in with my Kiss Lash Glue to lay everything down. Go in with my Laura Mercier powder and just set that brow to take away the stickiness. Okay, so I did this eye already. Who can tell me what flag is this from Africa? If you guess Ivory Coast, you're right. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do my overall face. Then I'll come back so we can do the map. Okay? Okay, the moment of truth. Time to draw that map on this side of my face. I printed out a map of Africa to look at and draw, you guys. I do not know how to draw, so this is going to be very interesting, but I am determined to make it happen. All right, first thing first, to draw, I'm going to be using my black pencil. This pencil is from Sephora. Now, this might not be the best of Africa, but this is what we could get, okay? This is what my money could get. So let's move into the next step. The next is to add some primer, and I'm going to be using a white base. This is from Elegant Pro. So I'm just going to go in with that white and fill this place out. That way the shadow that I'm going to be using will pop better. I want to make sure everything is well blended out so there's no patchiness. So I'm going in with this brush. This is an old brush. I don't really remember where I got it from. I'll be going into my crayon case palettes. First thing first, I'll use the black from there. Making sure I put it on the edges to cover all this up. The next palette I'm going to be using is the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. It has a color in here that I want. This orange right here is what I'm going to be going into next. And what I would do is go ahead and put that orange right here, kind of push it into the black a little bit so you don't see any line. I want it to have no lines of demarcation. Here we have When I Need It with Ju. Now I'm going to take this white. It's shimmery, but oh well. We're going to make it work. Okay, so I'm going to be using the green from in here. And I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer. I will be going in with this glitter around the edges. I got this from Amazon a while ago. Boy, can't stop it. Your time, nobody can stop it. What they do, they can do what they thought. What they do. Holy Ghost fire the demon. Holy Ghost fire.
He didn't.